Eager to shed 20 pounds in a mere 3 days, the military diet may be your answer. This diet, despite its name, has no known links to the armed forces. Rather, it is a short-term, low-calorie diet designed to deliver rapid weight loss. Over the next few minutes, we'll take a deep dive into the military diet, breaking it down into a step-by-step guide. The essence of the military diet is a precise, regimented 3-day meal plan followed by 4 days off. It's a cycle you can repeat until you reach your weight loss goal, but remember, while the military diet promises quick results, weight loss is a journey. It's about more than just the number on the scale. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle, incorporating balanced meals, regular exercise, and mindful eating habits. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Stay tuned as we unpack the specifics of this fascinating diet. Now, how does a 3-day plan of the military diet look like? Well, let's dive right in. The military diet is an intriguing regimen, split into 2 distinct phases over a week-long period. The first phase, which we'll focus on today, spans the initial 3 days. During these 3 days, a set, low-calorie meal plan is your guide for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's right, no snacks are allowed between meals. It's a strict regimen, but the promise of rapid results can be highly motivating. The total calorie intake during this phase falls somewhere between 1,100 to 1,400 calories per day. That's significantly less than the average daily calorie intake, which is why this diet can potentially yield such dramatic results. Each meal is meticulously planned. Breakfast might consist of a slice of toast, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, half a grapefruit, and a cup of coffee or tea. Lunch could be a cup of cottage cheese, a hard-boiled egg, and 5 saltine crackers. Dinner, the most substantial meal of the day, might include 2 hot dogs without buns, a cup of broccoli, half a cup of carrots, half a banana, and half a cup of vanilla ice cream. This diet is not just about reducing the quantity of food, but it's also about specific food combinations. The foods in the military diet are designed to work together to kickstart metabolism and boost weight loss. But remember, this diet is not for everyone. It requires discipline and commitment. It's a short-term plan that promises quick results. But for sustainable weight loss, it's essential to adopt long-term lifestyle changes like regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. And most importantly, before starting any weight loss program, always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure it's safe and suitable for your individual needs. After these initial 3 days, your body is primed for the next phase. Following the 3-day plan comes the 4-day off plan, but what does that involve? After 3 days of the military diet, you don't just go back to your old eating habits. Instead, you follow the 4-day off plan. This plan encourages you to continue eating healthily for the remaining 4 days of the week, while keeping your calorie intake low. There's no specific food guide for these days, but the idea is simple. Maintain a nutritious, balanced diet. This includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Portion control remains crucial. Remember to stay hydrated and try not to mistake thirst for hunger. And don't forget about regular exercise. Both cardiovascular and strength training are key. Aim to keep your daily calorie count below 1,500. This helps maintain the momentum of the weight loss initiated by the 3-day plan. With the conclusion of these 4 days, you have completed 1 round of the military diet. Having looked at the military diet in detail, what are the key takeaways? Well, the military diet is a low-calorie weight loss plan that purports to bring about significant weight loss in just 1 week. It's a structured regimen involving 3 days of a low-calorie meal plan, followed by 4 days off, where a recommended calorie intake is suggested. However, it's not all about the numbers. A balanced diet is crucial, encompassing a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Hydration is equally important, as is regular exercise, both cardiovascular and strength training. Planning meals in advance can help avoid impulsive and unhealthy food choices, while mindfulness in eating can help us tune into our body's hunger and fullness cues. And let's not forget the importance of adequate sleep and stress management. Before embarking on the military diet or any weight loss program, consult a healthcare professional. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. Your health and well-being should always take precedence.